Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to download the Football Manager 2024 mobile. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video. So you won't miss an important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the new Football Manager 2024 mobile is available for purchase on Android and iOS, and you can now go to your respective app store and buy the latest edition of the iconic Sports Interactive franchise. So while the FM24 mobile version costs about $9.99 or euro, there's a way to get it for free through the Netflix membership. So you need, or I'm going to show you on how to play FM24 mobile for free on the Netflix game. So these are the steps. So first, open the Netflix mobile app on your device, and after signing in into your account, just scroll down and look for mobile games row. And just locate the Football Manager 2024 mobile, so you can scroll to the right and select My List and type the name on the search bar. And once you locate it, just select the game and you will be automatically be redirected to the App Store or Play Store. And finally, you simply need to download the game at no extra charge and start managing teams. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.